Lehigh Valley and Scranton. Today I'm here with Sully. He is a 6-month-old Rottweiler. He's here for our 1-week board and train program, and his family's main concerns are just his puppy behavior, his jumping. He's a big leash puller, as well as they want him to have a good recall. They do have 2 other dogs that he gets easily distracted by. So I'm going to go ahead and see what commands he knows so far. Sully, place. Good boy. Sully, come. Sit. Quick sit. Place. Place. He is a smart boy, so I'm super excited to work with him this next week. So stay tuned for Sully's progress.